Hello and welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get to see latest information for your gadgets. And today we are going to talk about HP Stream X360 out here. A very interesting variant out here, a foldable version we can say, or we can say extremely evoluted, or we can say evolved versions out there from HP series. HP Stream is really amazing version, not because it is evolved or X30, X60 out there, or we can say 360 rotation, but because it is absolutely different from the variants HP has introduced in the market. Now, talking about this variant, let us talk about the processors out there. Let us talk about the internal functions very quickly, and let us see what are the things in this. Talking about this variant, we can say that it is offering you a CPU or the processing out there from Intel Celeron N2840. Yes, it is offering you a different processing out here. Uh, it is not offering you Intel core processing out there. It is offering you Celeron N284 out there, which is really a good variant. We can say this is really a good version, not a bad version at all. That is an we can say much better variant out here. Now let us talk about this variant's clock speed and the maximum turbo speed. Talking about the maximum turbo speed, it offers you 5.8, yes, 2.58 out there. We can say this is really good, not bad, but yes, as compared to other HP series, we can say that this variant is offering you a slightly low max turbo speed, because we have seen that other gadgets in HP series out there offers you nothing else but at least 3, 2.9, 2.8, or some these kind of max turbo speed in gigahertz itself. But this variant is offering you 2.58 gigahertz max turbo speed, whereas it offers you a clock speed of 2.16 gigahertz. Yes, this is offering you 2.16 gigahertz speed out here. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant is offering you a very good clock speed and a max turbo speed as compared to both the variants. Like if you are having 2.5 gigahertz max turbo speed and it is offering you 2.1 gigahertz clock speed, then definitely it is an amazing version out there. Now talking about this variant, it offers you a dual core system out there. The core system out here is a dual core system out there. Along with that, it offers you Windows operating system with 64 byte computerization. So this is really good that it offers a 64 byte computerization out there along with Windows system. But it is offering you a low cache memory speed. Talking about the cache memory, it offers you installed cache memory of 1 megabytes. Yes, 1 MB is the cache memory speed out here. 1 megabytes is the cache memory speed out there being offered. Whereas you also get to see that not just the cache memory, but the installed RAM or the storage, they are also slightly weak as compared to HP's other variants. But since it has been evolved out there, there is a great evolution out there. So definitely there has to be some collaboration and clashes between these things. Now talking about the RAM speed, RAM out there, because RAM plays an important role in every gadget. And talking about the RAM, it provides you 2 GB installed RAM size. Yes, it is offering you 2 GB installed RAM size, which is the maximum turbo speed, which you can say maximum support size out there. So you will not find any external slotted all slots out there, or external slots for the maximum support size. This is not seen in this variant. In fact, the configuration, if you talk about HP Stream X360 configuration, then it provides you memory is solidized out there, which is like it is only 2 GB. It can neither be decreased or increased out there. So it is solidized out there. But definitely, whatever, if you talk about the customization, then definitely customization would be possible if it is back from the company itself. Now let us talk about the memory speed, because RAM also varies with the memory speed. And talking about the speed, then it offers you 1600 megahertz rated memory speed or memory speed out here. So talking about the memory speed, what kind of RAM it is being used? It uses DDR3L RAM type. Yes, this is offering you DDR3L RAM type and offers 1600 megahertz speed. That is really good. Whereas you also get to see that RAM not alone makes the gadget work. it works with hard drive. And talking about the hard drive, then it offers you 32 GB capacity hard drive in the form of SSD. As it offers you in the form of SSD, you get to see that it is offering SSD format, as well as capacity is 32 GB out here. So we can say it is a very tiny version out there, a very compact version out there, because yes, size also is differing, as well as everything differs out, as well as you can say that this variant is offering you a great look for a handy compact version, we can say. Yes, a handy compact version, we can say this variant. Now let us talk about this variant's screen size, because since it's a compact version, let us talk about the screen size of this variant. Talking about the screen size, it offers a 29.5 centimeter screen size. This is really good. 29.5 centimeter screen size could be seen out, along with the LED type display. The display is LED type display. Along with that, you also get to see it offers you HD resolution. So these are the things seen out here. But addition to this LED type display, you get to see WLED backlight in it. Yes, you get to see WLED backlight also. This back light out there, or we can say these kind of things, helps the gadget to have a very good outcome or the display out there. As well as if you talk about this variant, if you talk about this version, then we can say not only the LED backlight display or the WLED backlight display or HD resolutions out there. It offers a great multimedia also, because it is offering you Intel HD graphics. Intel HD graphics is being offered out here, so it offers you great graphical part out there. Along with the integrated webcam, which is for the connecting purpose with the loved ones or for the recording purpose out there. It offers you stereo type speakers as well as microphones in it. Yes, it is offering you stereo type speakers, microphones, everything is being offered out here. Apart from that, you also get to see that this variant is offering you a great range of connectivity in the environmental factors as well as in the internal connectors out there. Everything is seen in this variant. Now, talking about these kind of versions, let us talk about the keypad also. Talking about the keypad, it has got an image keypad as well as a keyboard out there. Image keypad is nothing else but an inbuilt keypad in the variant itself, which is for the touchpad out there, which is mainly for the touch screen variants. Offering you a multi-touch keypad, yes, the keypad out here, apart from the small touchpad, it offers you a multi-touch keypad in the keyboard itself when you turn it into a different version. Offering you no optical drive technology and a great Bluetooth and a Wi-Fi connectivity, it offers you great connections to this. Yes, offering you a great Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity. No optical drive would be seen out in this variant. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, we can say that it is offering you a good external support system with USB, power connectors, audio input output jack, card readers, SD card readers, multi card readers out there. But these kind of connectors could be seen out in this variant. Whereas you talk about this gadget's battery life, talking about the gadget's battery life, we can say that it offers you a good battery life of about capacity of 43 volts. This is offering you a 43 volts capacity out here with free cell lithium ion battery. Free cell lithium ion battery is really good with 43 volts out here. It has some inbuilt apps, inbuilt processing out there, inbuilt softwares from HP and Microsoft out here. You get to see these kind of things. Apart from that, you also get to see that this variant has got some inbuilt functionalities like extrometer, digital compass, fanless diometer, as well as a power on and off button, power security buttons out there. Even the security lock sets out could be seen in this variant. You get to see a good range of things in this variant out there. So now let us talk about this gadget pricing also, because pricing plays an important role in every gadget. Talking about the pricing, let us talk about the site, that is justatclick.com. Talking about justatclick.com, we can see that this site offers you a great range of products, a great range of gadgets in your pocket friendly rates. Yes, you get to have pocket friendly rates out here in this gadget. So talking about this gadget, let us talk about this search icon, which helps us to search our favorite gadgets in a very limited format. So this is the result for our search, and you get to see that it is a screen convertible laptop out here. As well as it is a customizable option also available in this website. You can customize your gadgets accordingly. You get to see a small description at the top and a small description at the bottom. Whereas you also get to see that in between it is offering you a refurbished condition, and it comes with a bag free. So let us talk about this refurbished condition out here so that we know what our refurbished products are all about. Talking about refurbished products or refurbished word itself, then it means refurbished word means creating something newly like. Yes, it means creating something newly like. And when we talk about refurbished words or refurbished gadgets, then we can say they and brand new are absolutely same like. They are similar, or we can say same alike. Because refurbished products are nothing else but brand new products which have been pre-owned ones. Yes, you get to have a pre-owned gadgets out there. You get to see that they are pre-owned gadgets. So we can say refurbished and brand new are structurally, functionally, as well as testically, they are same. Their testimonialities are same. You can say their testing parameters are same. Their structural designs are same. In fact, their internal functions are also same. You can say that. Now, when we talk about refurbished products and brand new products, why we say that refurbished products are pre-owned? Talking about the pre-ownization of refurbished products, let us see this pathway, which let us know how the gadgets are involved in the market. There is a base, mediator, and the consumer. Now, this base is nothing else in the company in the brand new products. When you have a brand new product, then the company is the base which launches that gadget into the market. Now, what happens is that company is bringing that gadget in the market and is selling off that gadget in the market so that user can buy it. Now, this marketplace becomes the mediator for the company and the users. What happens is now the company has sold off in the market and user have buy. They have this gadget. Now the user wants to resell this gadget or is bored of that gadget and wants to sell off or wants to sell it. So what does it happen? Then that product is refurbished. How it is refurbished? Now once the gadget is pre-owned and is being used once, is being resold. Now it is being sold again. So it has to be brought in the market. Now it is brought up in the market where it can be resold, and once it is tested, verified, then it is resold into the market by the marketplace owners to the users, the new users out there. Now the user where the customization, or we can say customer, the brand new product ends is the beginning of refurbished product. So we can say that the brand new or the refurbished products are correlated. Every refurbished product is once a brand new product, it can be said, because refurbished is nothing else but the extension to the brand new products. Now when we talk about the brand new products and refurbished products, there is a difference in the testing sites. Why does that differ? Because brand new products are tested before launching into the market. Yes, before launching it into the market, there are various sites which test the gadget. But for refurbished product, once it is being sold off to a marketplace, the user resells it. It is tested, verified out on that particular site, and is sold off on that particular site only. No other site where you resell them. So there is a difference in the testing sites. Now let us talk about the testing parameters also, because structurally they are actually same. So let us talk about the differences in the uh, testing parameters. Talking about the testing, then it involves the external and internal parameters. Yes, it involves the external and internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, talking about the external factors, then it involves the design, buttons, battery, charging capacity, web camera, slots out there, or even the USB connectors, pen drive, SD card readers, audio input output jack, audio quality, sound quality out there. All the factors which can be seen from external parameters or the through eyes itself, which does not require any gadget or any software out there. Like we know that display can be checked out if it has any scratch or not. Design could be checked out, whether it is the similar design with the same screen size, the same display out here, or same resolution or not. Even the scratches out on the designs could be checked out. The touchpad it has can be checked out. Buttons has to be checked whether they are properly intact or not, properly placed or not. Every button is functional or not. So everything could be seen. Once external parameters are crossed, it comes to the internal parameters. Now, what happens to the internal parameters? Internal parameters require specified gadgets, equipment, softwares out there. So internal parameters are tested with them. Now, these internal parameters are nothing else but the internal components like the processing chip system, in processor type out there, RAM type, storage types out there, connectivity, every kind of a thing like graphic processor out there, every single processing, which are the internal components of it, the drive rotational speed, or we can say the spindle speed, random speed out there, rated speed, everything has to be checked. Once the gadget's internal and external parameters are checked, it is classified as refurbished or certified refurbished product. What would happen if any product is damaged or it is not passing all the parameters? Then that has to be renewed. That part, that gadgets, that specified point has to be refurbished, or you can say replaced out there with original parts. Yes, it has to be replaced with the original parts out there. Now talking about this variant, now talking about what kind of gadgets are in the refurbished products, they are the pre-owned gadgets out there. So they have the same design, they have the same functionality, they have the same structurality, they have the same testings out there. There is no difference out there. They are in a great quality, good quality products out there, good service are provided by them. Still, why we do prefer refurbished products, there must be some advantages. And the advantages are in few formats, like there are few points which are important to know before buying a refurbished product. They are quite pocketable out here. Yes, refurbished products are quite pocketable. Talking about pocketable rates, then we can say that the refurbished products are nothing else but pocketable gadgets out there, because brand new products are slightly expensive, whereas refurbished products are quite pocketable, can be said as quite less expensive out here. Since there is difference in the pricing, here comes the next point, that is the savings. You can save a great savings. Yes, you can save a great saving out for your gadgets. Now, when we talk about the savings, then we can say that the products can be saved out according to the pricing, because brand new and refurbished has a variation in their price. You get to save a lot. Now, talking about the savings and everything, brand new products offers you a warranty period of 1 year. Yes, they offer 1 year warranty period. Even the exchange policies out there. So, what does refurbished offer? Usually, pre-owned gadgets does not offer you any warranty period, but if you have a condition which is refurbished, you get to see that it offers you 6 months warranty along with 7 exchange policy. Yes, 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy could be seen out in the version. So overall, you can say that this offers you a great range of productivity, even the gadgets in your pocketable rates, even warranty period, exchange policy, everything could be seen out there. So let us get back to the site and check whether it offers you same things or not. We are at justatclick.com. Yes, we are at justatclick.com. And talking about this website, the name itself suggests justatclick.com. You are just a click away from your favorite gadgets, because it offers you your favorite gadgets in your pocketable rates, pocket friendly rates out here, as well as it offers you COD, which is hassle free shopping. Also, it's an online shopping site, so you get an hassle free shopping. COD is available out here. Along with that, you also get to see that this site, this version here offers you free home delivery, money back guarantee, online support system. So you get to see these kind of functionalities also. Apart from that, if you talk about this variant, if you talk about this site, then this site offers you a customizability option. Customizability option is nothing else but a option which helps us to customize our product and check out whether our product can be customized either in the RAM quality or the, we can say, storage capacity, processing out there, whichever things could be customized by the company itself. So they can customize it accordingly so that it is in your favorite modified way. Talking about the shipping timing, it depending upon the customizability, the timing might vary. Whereas it usually takes 48 hours time for the most parts of UAE, and Saudi it might take up to a week. So this is all about the gadget and the website. For best pricing, visit out the website for your gadgets out there. Description has the link, you can check out there. Or you can type on Google just at click.com. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.